Hello, I just got this in the mail today, so I thought I would open it up and show you what's inside, or at least the first one. This is the Christmas Advent Calendar for crocheters from Hobbii in Sweden, and it came today, so I'll open it up and show you what's in it. First of all is a little bit of paperwork that tells you how to be fun and share that you got it. We've got 2 Hobbii lollies, which are like boiled sweets, and our free gift. And here is the Advent Calendar. There is 1 box for every Sunday in December, and I will be opening this box here, number 1, and show you what's in it. Just get rid of that. It's about the size of a shoebox. We open it up. And inside we have 2 balls of their Tweed Delight, which should be enough to make an adult's beanie. We have a lovely big pom-pom with a press stud, large press stud joiner, so you don't have to put holes in your hat, very easy to put on. We have some hand cream. We also have a yarn needle. And then we have a link sheet. Now this is the free pattern to use the yarn for, and it's going to be released on the first Sunday in December. So it's a brand new pattern, and it's in all these different languages. So that's really cool. And then there is this little book, which you can keep track of your projects in. It's all done with the dotted grid work, so you can draw, you can write, whatever you need to. And that is soft bound. So that is what is in the first week of the Hobbii Advent Calendar for crocheters. And I hope you like that. See you later.